Linking a bank account to SouthState Corp is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your online banking account. Visit the SouthState Corp website or open the mobile app. Log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the account settings, find the option to link bank account or add external account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank account information, review the details and confirm the linking request. You may need to verify the link through a small test deposit or by following additional verification steps provided by SouthState Corp. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to SouthState Corp. You can now manage your transactions and finances more conveniently.